So calculations, the torque is calculated by S1 minus S2 into 9.81 into R. R is the radius of pulley. So we have seen here, we have used the pulley on the shaft. So radius of this pulley is nothing but the R. Okay. Then output power is calculated by the expression 2 pi nt divided by 60. N is the speed of motor. T is the torque. Whatever we have calculated the torque, this value is put here. Then efficiency is obtained by output power divided by input power. So already we have the output power by this calculation. Input power is measured by the wattmeter reading. This one, this wattmeter will give the input power. So you can see this wattmeter is nothing but the wattmeter reading represents the input power. Okay. Then power factor is calculated by input power divided by input voltage into input current. So according to these expressions, we are going to find the torque, output power, efficiency and power factor, and we are going to plot all these parameters. So you can see the first graph, first characteristic is output power versus speed. This is observed here. As the output power goes on increasing, the speed goes on reducing. Second characteristic we can see here, as the output power goes on increasing, the torque developed in the motor increases. So characteristic is increasing in nature. Then again, third one is efficiency. As the output power goes on increasing, the efficiency initially goes on increasing, after certain value it again reduces. Okay. Then last characteristic is the power factor. So as the output power goes on increasing, the power factor goes on increasing. So these are the characteristics of single phase induction motor, and this is all about the performance of single phase induction motor. Thank you very much.